What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here two airdrops that you guys can qualify for in one video. That is right, these are two airdrops that in my opinion are super easy to qualify for. This is going to be two of the easiest airdrops to qualify for, and they're both interconnected. Basically, they're connected in a way where once you do one, it's easier to do the other one. So follow this step by step. Before we get started with this, I will say that this is only worth it if you have a couple hundreds in ETH. Let's say if you just have 50 bucks in ETH or 100 bucks in Ethereum. I don't think it's going to be worth it because you're going to have to pay the Ethereum gas fees, okay? Which depending on the day might be pretty high. It could be $10, $20, right? Mine was around $10. But I just want to warn that this is probably only worth it if it's above $100 plus. Okay, and yeah, to get started, there are two platforms for this airdrop. One I already did a full video for, which is Swell, and if you want to watch that after this video, you can watch it. I'll put it right here in the cards, and I show you step by step, but I will still show you step by step in this video. And then two is going to be Eigenlayer, okay, which is the second part that I still haven't made a video on. But basically Swell, and I'm gonna leave all the official links, including my referral link. And I believe if you use my referral link, you might get extra points for the airdrop. But use my referral code and my referral link in the pinned comment in description below for Swell. And basically, what Swell is, it's a platform that's similar to Lido Finance. And if you guys don't know what Lido Finance is, it's basically a place where you can stake Ethereum, liquid staking. So you stake Ethereum and then you get a liquid staking coin. Okay, similar to Lido Finance, and Lido Finance is one of the probably the biggest place to stake Ethereum. Okay, and if you want to research to see if this is safe or not, you can research. This is not financial advice, but yeah, it's basically like Lido Finance, but the thing is, it doesn't have a coin yet, and it's going to airdrop that coin, unlike Lido, which I believe does have a coin already. So that's what Swell is, as you guys can see right here. Okay, and then the other one, Eigenlayer. Okay, Eigenlayer is not a place to stake Ethereum like Swell or Lido, but it's a place to stake your already staked Ethereum, which is, it sounds kind of crazy, but you can see right here, Eigenlayer restaking, okay, your already staked Ethereum. So after you stake it on Lido Finance or Swell, you're gonna get a coin in which you can stake it on Eigenlayer, if that makes sense. But even right here, when you go to Eigenlayer's website, it's actually very, very simple and basic. But you can see that on Eigenlayer's website, where you can connect your wallet right here at the top, okay, you will see that it has all the Ethereum staking platforms like Lido Finance right here, Lido Finance, Rocket Pool, Anchor, okay, Binance, Mantle, including Swell. You see right there? So that's what Eigenlayer is. So the first step of qualifying for both of these airdrops, because both of these two platforms are going to have an airdrop, the first step is Swell. So you want to stake your Ethereum on Swell, and the way that you do this, obviously, you get Ethereum to your MetaMask, or you can use let's see the wallets. You can use MetaMask, OKX, Coinbase, Phantom, wherever you have your Ethereum, you can use one of these right here, and you can also have it on the hard cold storage wallet. So let's say you have a cold storage wallet like the Ledger or Trezor or whatever. Connect it to your MetaMask, and then you can connect it to here, which I think is a lot safer using a cold storage wallet. Okay, and again, if I'm going too fast, pause this, slow this down if it's too fast for you guys. But yeah, first step is you connect it to your MetaMask, to your cold storage wallet or whichever wallet. Then you're gonna go right here to stake. Okay, and I already did this. I'm not gonna do this here. I'm not gonna connect my wallet because I already did this. But here it's very simple. You're just gonna click right here on the amount that you want to stake. Now, before you even do this, guys, please have extra Ethereum. Okay, don't stake the max Ethereum. Okay, have extra Ethereum for the gas fees. And not just the gas fees, for staking on Swell, but you're also gonna have to pay gas fees when you stake on Eigenlayer. So that's the only annoying part about this airdrop. Qualifying for this airdrop are the Ethereum gas fees that you have to pay twice. So the other tip is, if you're doing this, you know, you don't want to be doing this, like, you don't want to be adding every single day or every week, right? You want to add a good lump sum amount, and then maybe in a week or something if you got extra, but you want to add a, you know, the most amount in the first step, right? Because or else you're gonna be paying gas fees all the time you add. So basically, you stake it, you have enough gas fees, worth of Ethereum for the gas fees. Great. Now you staked it here, and you can go right here to your portfolio here at the top, and it's gonna say how much your holdings are. And here you can go to your voyage. It's going to see how much pearls you have, which is the reward system. You can also have referrals. Like I said, use my referral in the description below. Okay, but you can also refer your friends, and it should say how much pearls you have right here. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, and also make sure this is the official website. And you can, to double check, you just go to the official Twitter that has this yellow check mark, and it should be right there in their bio. All right, great. Now, next step, what you want to do is you want to go to Eigenlayer, and you want to connect the same wallet of which you staked your Ethereum. Okay? Because after you stake it here, you're going to get this SWETH. You see this coin right here, SWETH, okay, is going to be this one right here, SWETH, which is the Swell staked Ether. Okay, so after you connect your wallet, the same wallet, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Swell Staked Ether. You guys got that? So you click right there. And then the next step is you want to stake max. Now here you can do max, because here you're not staking your Ethereum. You're staking your SWETH, if you know what I mean. So you can do max, but then you're going to have to pay the gas fees using your Ethereum that's on your wallet, if that makes sense. Okay, so you're staking the max SWETH, and then you're paying the gas fees in Ethereum. So that's why you want to have enough Ethereum in your wallet to pay both of these gas fees. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you have to pay again once you withdraw. So when you unstake or withdraw, I'm pretty sure you got to pay the gas fees again. I'm pretty sure. So just remember that. And then boom, it's just as simple as that. This is why this airdrop is super simple. After you do both of that, it's gonna stay right here how much you're earning, worth of, you know, the points. And this is the type of airdrop that it's like the more you put in, the more you'll get from it, right? The more you rack up points. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You know, don't do this if you just have a couple, you know, $50, $100. It's not gonna be worth it. Because the gas fees, and you know, I have at least a few $100s worth of Ethereum. So just in my opinion, but it's just that simple, guys. And look, you don't have to do Swell. You can obviously use any of these for Eigenlayer, but the reason why, like Swell, is because Swell doesn't have an airdrop. It doesn't have a coin yet, and it's already guaranteed to have an airdrop. I don't know if these other ones are going to have an airdrop. I know for sure Lido already has a coin, right? And these other ones, Coinbase obviously, but these other ones, Swell is definitely the best one in my opinion, because they're going to have an airdrop, and you might as well, you know, it's like killing a bird with two stones, right? No, killing two birds with one stone. Sorry. But yeah, that's how you qualify for 2 airdrops. And these 2 are pretty big. I think they have a decent amount of funding. Okay, a decent amount of funding. But that's how you guys do it. If you guys got any questions, leave in the comments below and use my referral code. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.